Welcome to Agniman online class. Now see next topic for 12th mathematics. Consequence. Consequence from conditional statement P conditional to Q. Three more conditional statements are derived. They are listed below. Three more conditional statements are derived as shown below. Okay, they are listed below. So first one is conditional statement. If you P conditional to Q, then write Q conditional to Q. That is called converse statement. Number one. Number two, inverse statement. Inverse statement is nothing but negation P conditional to negation Q. And then contrapositive statement. It is converse. That means negation Q conditional to negation P. That is contrapositive statements. So based on some problems are there. Now see example 12.15. Write down the first one conditional statement, second one converse statement, third one inverse statement, fourth one contrapositive statement for the two statements P and Q given below. P is what? The number of primes is infinite. Q means Ooty is in Kerala. These are all two statements. Based on these two statements, we write conditional, converse, inverse, contrapositive. Solution. First we write conditional statement. Already we know symbol P conditional to Q. That is symbol. Okay. Conditional means if then. We write the word if then. Okay. If first write the number of prime is infinite. If you put another word, then Ooty is in Kerala. That is the conditional statements. Second one is converse statement. We write the same letter. First we write Q statement, second write P statement. Q conditional to P. If Ooty is in Kerala, then the number of prime is in infinite. That is the converse statement, students. Students, now see third one, inverse statement. Negation P conditional to negation Q. Okay. If the number of prime is not infinite, then Ooty is not in Kerala. Okay. So negation means put not. Here negation Q means Q statement put not. Okay, that is the inverse statement. Next, fourth one is contrapositive statements. So same manner, interchange the sentence Q and P. Okay, if Ooty is not in Kerala, then the number of prime is not infinite. The number of prime is not infinite. That is the example problem, students. Next we do exercise 12.2, fifth question. Write the converse, inverse and the contrapositive of each. First subdivision. If x and y are numbers such that x equal to y, then x square equal to y square. Okay, write three statements. Solution given, that is if then use, so therefore conditional statement. P conditional to Q. If x and y are numbers such that x equal to y, then x square equal to y square. That is P means what? X and y numbers such that x equal to y. Q means x square equal to y square. Okay, first we write converse statement, Q conditional to P. So interchange the sentence. If x and y are numbers such that x square equal to y square, then x equal to y. So use the word if then. So interchange the sentence. Okay, next inverse statement. Here use negation. Negation P conditional to negation Q. If x and y are numbers such that x is not equal to y, then x square is not equal to y square, which is the inverse statement, students. Okay, students, now next one, contrapositive statement. Contrapositive means negation Q conditional to negation P. So here already we know Q, x square is not equal to y square. That means not Q means Negation Q means x square is not equal to y square. Negation P means x is not equal to y. So if x and y are numbers such that x square is not equal to y square, then x not equal to y, which is the fifth one, first one. Next, the second one. If a quadrilateral is a square, then it is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. We can write the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of this sentence, students. Okay, solution. Given P conditional to Q, if a quadrilateral is a square, then it is a rectangle. So quadrilateral square இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அது rectangular இருக்கும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இங்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So let P means what? A quadrilateral is a square. Q means a quadrilateral is a rectangle. That is the statements given. Okay. First we write converse statement. Converse means Q conditional to P. So here place change. Rectangle and square are place change. So if a quadrilateral is a rectangle, then it is a square, which is the converse statement. Okay, next inverse statement is nothing but in conditional statement apply first statement not, second statement is also not. Okay, inverse statement negation P conditional to negation Q. Negation Q. Okay, if a quadrilateral is not a square, then it is not a rectangle. Then it is not a rectangle, which is the inverse statement, students. Okay, next the contrapositive statements. Contrapositive statement is nothing but go to converse statement, apply not. Then we get a contrapositive statement. If a quadrilateral is not a rectangle, then it is not a square. Then it is not a square, which is the contrapositive statements, students. Those four types are very simple. Okay. First given is conditional statement. In conditional statement, interchange the sentence without a converse statement, and then in conditional statement apply not in both statement without an inverse statement. Next one is contrapositive statement. Move to converse statement. In converse statement apply not in both statement without contrapositive statements. Those are also very simple ones, students. Do it, students. Thank you.